support it while I cut it. Cut the rest of it. Temporary screw,
Oh, sure.
just to support it.
Okay.
I'm going to finish cutting back to the back of the wall. Here and here to completely loosen up and detach the floor from the perimeter that I've already cut.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to take this screw out.
Sink in the center, and then garbage on one side. Want me to go draw it up? Do you want upper package or all package? And what, how, yeah.
On top of here,
Yep. I'm right here.
you know, just for to protect the cooktop.
Yeah.
As a
idea.
precautionary measure. I like the least amount of weight as possible.
That's a very good idea.
Alright.
Oh, hey, no problem. And I just want
Keep the other side.
Oh, look at that. It's a perfect fit.
This is just to cover up the screws
Oh, sure.
that are right here
Mm-hmm.
in the package. You put these little washers on
Appreciate your help. Thank you very much.
so that the bevel is towards the head of the screw so that these pop on. These pop on these little rubber grommets here, these little
Oh,
nylon grommets, and you have to
Okay.
put them on the correct way
yeah.
in
Okay.
order to make that work.
Gotcha.
You can get them backwards, so there's a little taper there that you just put them on like that.
Okay.
And that's really the last thing you do.